Hi, my name is Chris Melnick, and I'm a realtor in Halifax, Nova Scotia. Today, we're going to explore the pros and cons of buying an old home in Nova Scotia. First, let's talk about the pros of buying an old home in Nova Scotia. Pro number one, it's often cheaper. Older homes generally come with a lower price tag compared to new builds. This can be a huge advantage if you're on a budget or looking to get more bang for your buck. Pro number two, better locations. Many older homes are situated in well-established neighborhoods, often closer to downtown areas, schools, and amenities. You'll be closer to everything you need, making life more convenient. Pro number three, more character. Older homes often have unique architectural features and a charm that's hard to find in newer builds. From crown molding to hardwood floors, these homes tell a story and offer a distinct personality. Now let's discuss the cons of buying an old home. Con number one, the layout. Older homes often have less open floor plans and smaller rooms compared to modern homes. This can make the space feel cramped and less functional for today's living standards. Con number two, potential issues. Older homes are more likely to have wear and tear, which means you may face unexpected repairs and maintenance costs. From outdated plumbing to electrical systems, these can add up quickly. And con number three, energy efficiency. Older homes are typically less energy efficient, leading to higher utility bills. Insulation, windows, and heating systems may need updating to meet modern standards. And there you have it, the pros and cons of buying an old home in Nova Scotia. Whether you value charm and location or prefer modern layouts and efficiency, it's all about finding what's right to balance your needs. And if you're thinking of buying or selling, feel free to contact me. My contact information is in the description. Goodbye.